Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Python. Today we are going to learn while loop. So imagine you are playing a video game. Your robot keeps jumping again and again until it reaches the treasure chest. But what if you don't know how many jumps it will take? That is exactly why we learn the while loop in Python. What is a while loop? A while loop tells the computer keeps doing something while a condition is true. It repeats actions over and over automatically. A while loop has three parts: start value, condition, and update. So count equals 0. This is the start value. While count less than 5. Count. So initial value count is 0. 0 is 0 less than 5? Yes, it is true. So condition is true. Then count is increased by 1. Then go back to the while loop. Is 1 is less than 5? True. Then count is increased by 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2 until when count increases 4. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Then 5 is 5 less than 5? No. So it's false. So it will stop. So the count value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When count equals 5, the while loop will exit. So let's look at the example. Let's try, what if we don't have update? What if we don't have update? Let's run. So if we don't update the count value, it will keep looping, never end. So now we change back. So count is increased by 1, so we only see 5 loopings because the count value from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why we have 5 looping. Let's look at another example, guessing game. So we have a secret number 7 and guess initial value 0. So while guess not equals secret, we keep asking the user to type the guessing number. So when the guess number not equals secret, so that means when the user type a number that is not 7, the condition is true. So then we keep asking the user to type a number. So let's run the program. We type a 9. 9 not equals 7. So the condition is true. So keep asking another number. 10. Now I type 7. So when the guess number equals 7, 7 is 7 not equal 7? No. 7 equals 7. So when I type number 7, the condition while loop condition is false. So then it will print you win. So now let's talk about what's the difference between the while loop and the for loop? So let's go back to the guessing game. So we don't know how many times the loop will run. That means we don't know how many times the user will guess the number until it gets the secret number 7. So that is why while loops are powerful. So for for loop, we use for loop when we know the number of repeats. For example, like for I in range 5, print hello. Oh, so there is 5 hello. So for the when we don't know, when we do not know when to stop, that means we don't know the number of the repeats. We use a for loop. You use a while loop. That's the end of class. Thank you.